Hi there, this is Barbara template, and today I'm going to show you how to insert a QR code in your design in Canva. So I'm sharing my screen right now. So let's go to your Canva, and let's say you want to use your QR code on poster. So we're just going for this purpose to pick one of the posters which are here in Canva library. Let's say which one will we use. Merry Christmas, we had Christmas, somewhere where we have space. So let's go for this one. You have created poster for some of your product, for, I don't know, some new course, or maybe you just want to insert more info. You don't want to write it all in the poster, opening hours, whatever else. So great way how to do it is to insert a QR code. So when people read the QR code, they will get all the information that they need. So I'll make the design a little bit bigger so you can see it, and we want the QR code over here. So how do we do it? You go here on the left and you go down, you scroll down. I've used it already, so I've got it here, but when you haven't used it yet, it's going to be down here at the bottom with more and 3 dots. You click on that, and over here is a QR code. So you click on the QR code icon, you enter the website you want people to go to read, or the link to the website. So I go for barbaratemplate.com, and you press generate code. Once you press generate code, there is your QR code over here, and now you can adjust this QR code as you need, and you can make it really small, you can make it bigger, you can also change the color of the code. So if we scroll down here, we've got photo colors, so I could change it to the colors which I've got on the design. You can edit the image, you can animate it, because it's image, you can do all the things that you can do with any image in Canva. This is it. We've got our QR code on our design, and once people read it, they will get to the link which you have used in QR code. So once again, here on the left, go down to 3 dots, click on QR code, insert a link that you want people to get to, and generate code. And this is how you can insert a QR code in your design, and you don't need to put so many information on your poster or on your post on social medias. So that's all for today, and I'll see you in next video about Canva and how to use Canva and how to use the different features in Canva. Bye-bye.